Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is safe and everyone's doing okay. Thanks for stopping by. In this video today, I'll be making chicken pasta and I'll be using chicken breast for this recipe. Now, ahead of time, I went ahead and I washed and dusted my chicken breast and seasoned with salt, pimento, garlic, grated ginger, grated onions. And so after seasoning, I set this aside to marinate, and this has been marinating for about 30 minutes. And then I heat my pot and add some cooking oil. I use rapeseed oil as the only oil, or coconut oil, olive oil that I use. I do not use vegetable oil. And then I set this to sort of brown, or you want to say fry. So I want to make sure that all the pink color is absolutely gone from my chicken. And from there I went ahead and I made the sauce for the pasta. And I use butter, flour, and spices, oregano, and basil, milk for this recipe, and some salt. Then I went ahead after when I put my pasta to boil, and this is done the normal way. You put your pasta in the pot with salt and a bit of oil to make sure that it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pot. This took about 5 minutes to cook, and from there I went ahead and I put my pasta together with the chicken and my sauce. I had some broccoli, cauliflower, and some bell peppers or sweet peppers. Whatever you choose, you can go ahead and use whatever you like. It's your dinner. Yeah, it's your food. You make it the way you like. Yeah, so this is a quick and easy chicken pasta. This takes roughly about 40 minutes to complete everything from start to finish, apart from the seasoning of the chicken. So before you know it, your dinner is ready to be served. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.